Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review. Today, I'm doing another Crockpot meal. This one is one of my wife's recipes. This is going to be taco chili. Only thing is I'm going to be adding some of my brisket that I have left over. So I'm going to be cutting up some brisket flat, putting it into the chili, putting it onto a 4-hour high, and just going to enjoy it. So this is a really super easy recipe. Just dump everything in, set it, forget it, and just wait. This is for you extremely busy people like me. Sit back, relax, watch this video, and I will see you at the end. Okay, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need 1 pack of taco seasoning mix, 1 carton of beef broth, 1 can of white chili beans, or you can also use black beans, 1 can of white choux peg corn, 1 can of rotel, no salt added because there's salt in the brisket, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of chili beans, 1 onion, and 1 pack of dry ranch dressing mix, and then of course you can't forget the brisket. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is run your cans under some water and wash the lids off, because if you don't, that's just nasty. And if you need a reminder, here's a video on how to do it. Well, there it is. It's a good thing to try. I don't think I should really have to do a taste test for y'all. So I already know it's gonna be really good. But anyhow, I want to thank my wife for this recipe. It's really good. It's a really good thing that you can do with your brisket, your leftover brisket, leftover meat, leftover smoked meat. It'll go perfect in this. Anyhow, these chips. Get. Go! Get. I mean, every freaking time, this dog's got to do something, you know? That's why I cook outside. Alright, so anyhow, y'all like, subscribe. I'll see you next week. Ciao.